Okay, Coach Lou here. So ngayon, it's all about baseline, forehand and backhand drives. Go! Okay, at tanda mo, pag forehand, left foot forward, coil, coil. Pag backhand, right foot forward is either double or single backhand, coil. Okay? Tiptoe ah, pag tumakbo. Go! Good! Nice! 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 Very good! Nice! Go! Very good! Norris, racket tanggal likod. Yan, racket tanggal likod. Huwag mong pigilan. Pigil yung palo mo eh. Yan, racket tanggal likod. Ang racket mo, nasa front lang eh. Micho, next ka na rito. Puro drive to, puro drive. Go. Ang forehand mo, single hand lang. Yan. Racket hanggang likod. Racket hanggang likod. Racket hanggang likod. Yung backhand mo, gawin mong double. Very good.